My LCA froze mid-approval and my OPT clock is still ticking. How do we even plan your life when the government can stop time, but you can't?
Yeah, I mean, it's a bad situation to be in because, like I was saying earlier, when you're putting together the H-1B policy and how it operates, it's not supposed to happen this way, right? There's supposed to be a constant stream of running. The DOL shouldn't be shut down. They should be able to run LCAs. You know what's conversely kind of funny? I just thought about. So the DOL can't process LCAs right now, right? But I have a client that I'm working with that's under investigation by the DOL that got an email from the DOL on Monday asking for more information. So that DOL officer's working and maybe working with pay or without pay, I don't know. But he's doing his job because I guess he's essential. But an automated system can't run. Makes no sense. But all of that is, yeah, I agree with you. You guys are in a bad situation by no fault of your own. USCIS appears to have signaled that they're willing to be sympathetic to that when the government resumes operations. So there at least is some sort of exception carved out. But no, it's ridiculous. No government should ever be able to just shut down because it can't agree to how it's supposed to be funded. You know, it's asinine. It's insane. It's indicative of the absolute declining political abilities of our country. I don't know how else to say it. Our democracy is just not doing awesome right now. And yeah, you guys are part of the people that are suffering as a result, which is unfortunate. I get it. It sucks. What I would maybe say is if your OPT clock is running and you're in a circumstance where you're not able to do it, maybe it's possible if you're running out of OPT days to roll that into a nunc-pro-tunc argument when the government reopens in the incident that you're going to file a change of status and see if they're willing to give you a little bit of credence for that, like they've signaled they would do. But outside of that, your options are very limited. The thing that sucks the most about OPT unemployment, which I fundamentally don't understand, is that it accumulates while you are in or out of the United States. So if you're on an OPT with an OPT company and you get laid off, for example, and you leave the country, you still get dinged for unemployment days, which I think is so weird because in the H-1B program, if you're outside the US, those days do not count towards days on H-1B for a 6-year standpoint. So it's very interesting to me that the government looks one way at the H-1B visa and then another way at the F-1 in terms of OPT. But yeah, I'm sorry. I don't have anything positive to say to you. When the government reopens, file your case as fast as you can and hope that they give you an exemption.